Hello there, this is just a quick demo video of a sample application that I've created for the Google ADK that allows the connection to the ADK to persist when the app goes into the background. So the equipment that I have here is the Seed Studio ADK and the Google Nexus S phone running 2.3.6, I believe. So let's plug it in and launch the app. This is the main screen, and with the read button, it allows us to read whatever the ADK is sending us, and in this case it's just a dash, so that's the number 45. But the fun begins when the app moves to the background, so let's press the home button, and now you can see it blinking. And it's blinking because the app is a service, or it creates a service. So now when I go into applications and I press running services, then here you can see the ADK service is running right there. And so of course with this I can also, launch different apps. Here's Google Plus and it's still blinking in the background. I can turn the phone off and it's still blinking in the background. And also it's not just the phone that's sending data to the ADK, it is also receiving data in return. So here we have logcat running, and if you can see, it also says read 45, which means that it has read the number 45 again as the dash, which the ADK is sending, and it's also still blinking. However, there is a bit of a problem with this, and that is sometimes when we return back to the app, then it won't be able to open up the file descriptor again, which means that the accessory won't be able to be started, which means that the input and output streams also won't be started. And in general, what I have seen is that when you're in the background, this blinking communication can go on as long as the input and output streams persist, which they do. I've tested this for about 12 hours and it was still blinking. It's only when you try to reconnect with the accessory in here, then sometimes after about an hour or so, it will say null, 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 because it wasn't able to reach the accessory. The weird part about this is that it's actually not, it can still find the accessory, and it still has the right name, the right device ID, the right manufacturer that you place into the ADK sketch, but the USB manager can't open it. It's just, it gives an error, cannot open. So this is definitely something that needs to be investigated further. I've had this issue with some other apps as well, and I feel that in order to make a really good, stable app that works with something in the background, it should at least be able to re-enter into the foreground quite smoothly after quite some time. I also tested it when it was receiving phone calls, and that works great as well. It's actually kind of cool to have a LED blinking on your phone, with your phone, when you're on the phone. So yeah, I'll post the sample code on my GitHub. I'm just going to finish cleaning it up, and you can take a look at it. All we do is that we use the application as a friend so that it's the singleton to transfer the input-output streams over to the service from the main activity. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and let me know if you have any ideas on the weird bug, if you have seen the same thing or not. It's totally strange, and I have tried to fix it or get around it so many times, but with no luck so far. Alright, so thanks for watching this video.